everyone, it's a bit later start to the vlog today, and I didn't end up ending yesterday's vlog because when I come back from the helicopter ride I ended up just staying in the room all day and just edited my videos. But today we are going to the Onsen hot pools. We are about to walk there right now to get the courtesy bus there, and it's one of the most famous hot pools in the world or something like that, with the most amazing views, so I'm really excited to get some photos. Later we're going to go to the ice bar, I think, because we had a very chill day yesterday. And it's kind of sprinkling a little bit today and the snow is almost off the mountains completely, so yeah, it's a bit disappointing, but the views are still insane. So here we go to the hot pools. We are now at the Onsen hot pools and the view is absolutely amazing and literally looks like the pictures that everyone puts up on Facebook and stuff. So we're going to spend the first 10 minutes or so taking photos and then we're going to just relax for the rest of the time. So we've just finished at the hot pools and it was absolutely amazing. The views are incredible, the pool was really nice. Now we're just back in the bus and we're going to head back to Queenstown. So we just went to go to the ice bar and they told us we can't go in because we don't have our passports on us and we're under 25. So we're going to go to the Odyssey sensory maze instead.
I'm under 25 and they're going to let me in.
Yeah, so yeah. So it is the next day and I didn't want to not end my vlog again like I have been. So after we couldn't get into the ice bar, we went to the Odyssey sensory maze, but we couldn't film or take anything with us, so I couldn't get any footage from that. But after that we went to this little thrill zone thing, did a 12D cinema, which I got really motion sick from, and Joel did a VR experience and it looked so funny watching him do it, especially on the horse, but he said he really enjoyed it and he wants us to do it today, so we might end up going and doing that. But yeah, so that's the end of this vlog and today's will start for tomorrow's vlog.